Hello! Welcome sa Civil Engineering Sample Problem about Surveying. So tara at basahin na natin ang ating sample problem for today. A symmetrical sag curve has a descending grade of negative 4.2 degrees and ascending grade of positive 3 degrees, intersecting at station 10 plus 020, whose elevation is 100 meters. The two grid lines are connected by 260 vertical parabolic zag curve. Question A, at what distance from the PC is the lowest point of the curve located? And question B, what is the vertical offset of the parabolic curve to the point of intersection of the tangent grades? And question C, if a 1 meter diameter culvert is placed at the lowest point of the curve with top of the culvert buried 0.60 meters below subgrade, what will be the elevation of the invert of the culvert? For our first question is yung ating plan na gagawin. So as you can see, here's our illustration. So meron tayong 260 vertical parabolic zag curve. So kung ihatiin natin yan in the middle, so meron tayong 130 and 130 meters. And then for the descending grade, as you can see, meron tayong negative. Yung negative means is pababa. Ayan, descending. Then yung ascending natin yung indication. So kung walang ascending, so meron man tayong positive 3%. So yung ating slope ay pataas. Okay? From this point. Ang sabi, so ang at station daw dito sa point na ito ay 10 plus 020. And then the elevation is 100 meters. So first is what distance from the PC is the lowest point of the curve located. Okay? So for our first question, yung ating lowest point of the curve from yung ating PC. So, okay, remember yung ating formula, yung ating from the lowest point, S1 equals yung ating G1 over L or G1L over G1 minus. So, let's determine first yung ating given. So, for our G1, ating unang grade, so meron tayong 4 point or negative 4.2%. So, negative 4.2%. So, gawin natin itong so, ito kasi naka-percent. So, gawin natin decimal. Convert natin. So, meron tayong negative 0.042. Ayan. And then, for our G2 naman is yung ating 3%. So, positive 3%. So, meron tayong positive 3%. Convert natin into decimal. So, positive 0.03. Then, yung ating total length is yung binigay. Given naman yan. So, 260 meters. So, direct sub lang. So, meron tayong S1 equals yung ating G1 na negative 0.042 multiplied by 260. Then, all over ating G1 na negative 0.042 minus yung ating G2 na positive 0.03. Ayan. So, let's calculate sa ating calcu. Tayong negative 0.042 multiplied by 260 over negative 0.042 minus 0.03. Ayan. So, meron tayong S1 equal to 151.67 meters. Ayan. So, meron tayong store natin yan sa A. So, baka magamit natin. Okay, so from PC raw, PC, so ang length daw nung ating lowest point, so from this point, kung gaano kahaba yan, is yung ating, so let's say ito, kasi more than half siya eh. So kung ko-consider natin, ito yung half. So kung i-scale natin, di medyo dito siya. So let's say dito yung ating lowest point kasi from PC eh. So from PT is mas maliit. So from PC, so let's consider this our lowest point. So yung distance daw niya from PC is 151.67. So let's say ito ay 151.67. And then you can mark your illustration. So ito yung ating lowest point. Ayan. So ito yung ating 151.67. Ayan. Okay? And this will be our final answer para sa ating first question. Okay? Tinatanong naman is the distance from PC. Okay? So for a second question, number 2 is yung ating nearest distance. So what will be the nearest distance of curve from PT, from the point of intersection of grids, from the point of intersection of grids. Ayan. So, tinatanong naman dyan is yung nearest distance natin from the point of intersection dito. Okay? And then, dito sa ating to the point, nearest distance of curve from the point of intersection of grids. So, from this point to this point naman. Okay? So, ito yan yung distance from intersection and then sa curve. Yan. So, yan yung ating hinahanap. Okay? So, using yung ating formula for parabolic curves, yung sa ating H equals yung ating L over A. Then, quantity yung ating G1 minus G2. So, ayan. So, this is a formula dapat kabisado. Okay? So, for our H, so yung ating L is 260 direct sub lang over 8 multiply by G1. So, i-carry out natin yung ating mga symbol or yung ating mga sign. So, isasama yan. So, dapat sinusulat natin yan. So, for G1 is negative 0.042 minus yung ating positive 0.03. Okay. So, our H equals meron tayong 260 over 8 and then multiplied by negative 0.042 minus 0.03. Ayan. So, meron tayong negative 2.34. Ngayon, so, ito ay naka-negative sign. Ibig sabihin ng negative, tayo ay sag curve. Okay? So, kung nag-positive man yan, so, ibig sabihin yan, tayo ay mayroong summit curve. Okay? So, since this is a negative, so, 2.34. So, since tayo ay negative, remember, yan ay sag curve. Okay? And this will be our final answer, yung ating negative 2.34 sag curve. Okay? So, ito ay kung naging kung naging positive lang is summit curve. So, for our last question, yung ating question 3, yung if one diameter, so dito tayo, Ayan. As you can see, meron tayo dyang 1 diameter na culvert. And then, yung distance daw niya sa B is 0.6 from the top. So, sabi is, ayun na nga. So, ang gagawin nating diskarte, tinatanong is the elevation. Ayan. Diba? So, ang given natin nandito. Okay? Sabi, dito daw ilalagay sa lowest point yung ating, is placed at the lowest point of the curve. So, dito. Sabihin na papupuntahin natin dito, unknown yung elevation. Kailangan natin makuha yung elevation ito. Therefore, kailangan natin makuha yung length na yan. And then, yung y. Para mapataas natin dito sa B. Ayan. Then, to get that, papagapangin natin itong elevation na to, yung 100. Okay? So, from this point, may elevation tayo 100. Akit tayo dyan. And then, punta tayo dito sa B. Ngayon, pag nandyan na tayo sa B, ito na siya. So, mayroon na tayong elevation dito. Ididagdag na lang natin yan. Kayang 1. Para makapunta tayo dito sa invert. Okay? So, ito. So, ganun yung magiging ating solution plan. Okay? So, first is, let's solve yung ating y. Ito. Yung ating y. So, using yung ating similar. So, y equals yung ating length nito. So, ito, kukunin natin similar yan. Tsaka itong, ito, 108.33. And then, yung ating h, tsaka yung ating, asa na ba? H. Ito, h nga, 234. Tsaka yung ating 130. So, hindi natin gagamitin itong 151. So, to get this 108.33, so, kaya naging 108.33 yan is, ito lang yan. So, isang buo is 260, right? Meron tayong 260, minus lang natin sa sinave sa A. So, ayan, 108.33 yan. So, yun yung distance nito. So, ang gagamitin natin, sige, isulat ko. Gagamitin nating similar dyan is ito. Ayan. Okay. And then, yung ating ito, from this point, sige. Lagay na natin dito. So, ang gagamitin natin is parabolic niya. So, ito, hindi yung triangle ha. So, ito. Itong lines na to. And then, okay. Kaya, meron tayo dyan. Yung ating y equals yung squared niya. 108, yung degree of curve. 108.33 squared equals. So, ayan. Ito siya. Y, tsaka ito yung mag-pair, tsaka H, tsaka 130. Ayan. Meron tayong H. Yung H natin ay negative 2.34. So, disregard lang natin yung negative ngayon dito. So, 2.34 over yung ating 130. Therefore, meron tayong Y equals. So, 130 squared din yan. So, 2.34 times 2.34 times 108.33 squared over yung ating 130 squared. So, meron tayong 1.625. 1.625 meters. May value na tayo ng ating y, which is yung ating 1.625. Dito pa lang yun sa ating pa lang yun yan yung pinaka height nya. Okay, yan pa lang yun. So dito pa lang siya. Ngayon, ito pa yung kailangan natin, yung nawawala. Pero to get this value naman, so meron tayong 130, minus natin yung 108.33. So meron tayong 130 minus 108.33. Ayan, so meron tayong 21 point, pagtan natin ang kulay. Meron tayong 21.67. Ayan. Okay, as you can see. So ngayon is gamitin na lang natin yung grade na 3% para makuha tong length na to. So ang gagawin lang yan, 21.67 multiplied by yung 3% para makarating tayo dito, and then add natin yung y. Nandito na tayo sa b. Ayan. So, gawin natin yung ating elevation. Elevation at b. So, meron tayong base natin 100 meters or 100 plus yung ating 21.67. 21.67, and then yung ating grade nya 3%, ito, so multiplied by 0.03 plus yung nakuha natin sa y na 1.625 meters, and elevation at b is equal to, meron tayong 100 plus 21.67 multiplied by 0.03 plus 1.625. Meron tayong 107.275. 102 pala. 0.275. So, ito yan. At this point, elevation natin is 102.275 or 275. 275. 11. Gawin natin. Ayan. And then, from this point, mabilis na lang yan. So, baba tayo ng 0.6 and then, baba tayo ng 1. Makakarating na tayo dito sa invert. So, yung ating elevation at invert, meron tayong 102.275 minus 0.6, then minus 1. So, meron tayong elevation at invert na minus lang natin sa 1.6. So, meron tayong 100.675 meters. Ayan. And this will be our final answer. Yun. So, i-recap lang natin yung ating mga naging sagot. So, for our first question, the lowest point of the curve from PC. So, simple formula lang is S1 equals 151.67. And then, yung distance natin from the curve, from the point of intersection of grades. So, ito. So, from the point of intersection to curve, yan yung ating H. So, simple formula lang din. H is equal to negative 2.34, which is a sag curve. And lastly, yung ating elevation at invert is 100.675. So, that would be all. And thank you for watching.